Ever pondered on the chilling prospect of an alien invasion, specifically targeting our children's brains? An improbable scenario indeed, but one that stirs the imagination and sends shivers down the spine. Picture this: beings from a distant galaxy, light years away, descending upon our planet with an inexplicably peculiar interest. Not in our gold, not in our water, but the minds of our youngest. Why, you ask? What could possibly be so intriguing about the cerebral matter of our offspring? Could it be their untapped potential, the purity of their thoughts, or perhaps something far more complex and unfathomable? This is not the plot of a science fiction novel, but a hypothetical scenario we're going to unpack today. We'll look at what could drive these cosmic visitors to such an unlikely quest, and what it could mean for humanity. Prepare to delve into the mysteries of the universe as we explore this bizarre scenario. Why would alien beings, presumably advanced, show interest in our children's brains? A perplexing question indeed. Their interest could stem from a myriad of reasons, each more intriguing and somewhat unsettling than the last. Let's consider the first possibility. These extraterrestrial visitors might be interested in the unique neural connections found in developing brains. Children's brains are often described as plastic, meaning they are highly adaptable and still forming connections. These unique neural pathways could be a goldmine for advanced beings looking to enhance their own technological prowess. Imagine for a moment an alien civilization using these neural blueprints to create advanced AI systems or to upgrade their own cognitive abilities. Alternatively, the aliens might have medical motivations. The regenerative potential of young brain cells is well documented in the field of neuroscience. Could it be that these beings, despite their advanced technology, are grappling with degenerative diseases and see our children's brains as a potential cure? It's a chilling thought, but within the realm of possibility. Lastly, we mustn't dismiss the idea that their intentions could be something completely beyond our current understanding. After all, we're dealing with a theoretical, advanced civilization whose thought processes might be as alien to us as their physical forms. As unsettling as these theories might be, they draw us into contemplating the vast, unknown intentions of hypothetical extraterrestrial beings. Imagine the scenario: alien ships descend, their objective, our children's brains. What happens next? Chaos would be the first response. The world would be gripped in a state of global panic, a terror unlike anything we've ever experienced. Highways would become parking lots as families flee major cities, economies would crash, and governments would scramble to maintain order while preparing for the unthinkable. But what about defense? Our military forces would likely be the first line of resistance, using every weapon in their arsenal to protect our planet. Scientists and engineers would work round the clock, devising new technologies and strategies to combat this extraterrestrial threat. We would see unprecedented global cooperation as countries set aside their differences to unite against a common enemy. Yet, the ethical dilemmas would be profound. Would we sacrifice some to save many? Could we negotiate with these alien invaders or even understand their motivations? These questions would test the very fabric of our morality and humanity. But in this hypothetical invasion, one thing is certain: we would not go down without a fight. Our resilience, our determination, our love for our children would fuel a resistance like no other. Mothers and fathers, brothers and sisters, friends and strangers alike, we would all stand together, ready to protect our future at all costs. In the face of such an invasion, our unity and determination would be our greatest weapons. In the aftermath of such an invasion, how would our world change? Let's consider the implications. Our societies would likely undergo a radical transformation. We might see a global unification as nations put aside their differences to fight against a common enemy. Technologically, we would be forced to advance at an unprecedented rate. The need to protect our most precious resource, our children, would spur innovation beyond our wildest imaginations. But perhaps the most profound change would be in our collective consciousness. Confronted with an extraterrestrial threat, we would be compelled to reflect on our place in the cosmos. Our understanding of life, its value, and our duty to protect it would be forever altered. This scenario is, of course, purely hypothetical, but it does make us think deeply about our existence, our resilience, and our capacity to protect those we love from unimaginable threats. While we hope to never face such an invasion, pondering these scenarios invites us to reflect on our own humanity and the lengths we would go to protect it.